Okay, so I love small towns in Tennessee. They're fantastic, they're really cute, there's great community, and today I'm in Fayetteville, Tennessee. Fayetteville, Tennessee is just a little north of Huntsville, across the Tennessee border, well, not in the border, but a little further up north. But it's super sweet, and they've got this host of Christmas Past festival going on. We're gonna go check it out, and learn more about a small town. So, come along, let's go. Okay, I'm at the Riverside Christian Academy here, an amazing craft fair. You know, it's the holidays, you gotta do all this fun stuff. So let's go support small business and people's hobbies. Okay, what have you bought today?
I bought some bee balm and a little bird.
Aww, how cool is that? That's so cool. Okay, what's something you like today? What'd you see that you liked?
Oh gosh, there's so much here. I don't know. I'm like, whew, there's a lot here, honestly.
Okay, here's my favorite. Hey Casey, what'd you buy today?
I bought bread.
Bread.
Sourdough bread.
Nice.
And I didn't have to drive to Winchester for it. It was like perfect.
Okay, so we survived a craft fair, and it's pretty cool. We got some stuff. People are leaving me. I don't know where they went. I'm lost already. I'm in Fayetteville, Tennessee. Really cool little, school. And it looks like everybody's here. So now we're gonna go downtown, check out some more holiday stuff. Really excited. Okay, these are my friends that made me go to this town. And it's so cool. All right, guys, wait, where are we? Where are we, Nick? What is this place?
Fayetteville.
Fayetteville, Tennessee.
But what's going on today?
Post Christmas Past.
All right, what are you doing?
Just loading up the corn to grill some corn. For
There you go.
Lincoln.
It needs an ice bath?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're giving away free ice baths if you want to take an ice
Oh,
bath.
good, you can take a deep plunge. Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
All right,
Humbug. Christmas is a humbug, I tell you. What's Christmas anyway but a time for paying bills without money, a time for finding you're a year older yet not a penny richer. A humbug, I tell you.
okay, I love reindeer. I love Santa. They've got reindeer here. We gotta go check this out. Let's go.
got you.
Okay,
7.
now we're
Yeah,
walking.
yeah, yeah.
Gonna go check out some more vendors.
Like, move back.
That was so much fun. Oh my gosh. I really love a nice Tennessee small town.
Yeah, true.
Okay, they got clothing, they've got food, they've got stuff, they've got crafts, they've got pictures, they've got the fairy hair sisters, which I don't know what that is, but it's hair, and they're fairies, I guess. So they're putting in stuff in the hair, like little adornments and sparkles and things. Do I need sparkle? I don't need a sparkle. I'm good. I like my hair. Okay. Let's keep looking. Okay, whose idea was to put Charlie Grace in jail? Whose idea was say, hey, you know what we really need to do? Let's just go someplace, used to be a jail, get a sandwich. Casey? I'm gonna blame it on Casey.
I mean, I did say, do you want to go eat food in prison?
In prison, I know.
Behind bars.
And I asked her, I said, well, how's the pudding? Okay, I just have a question. Oh my God, wait, how old are they?
For 7 weeks.
7 weeks. Oh my goodness, look at that face. Okay, so do we have names or just numbers?
Color collars.
Color collars. And how much are they going for? Are they buy one, get one? They're not BOGOs. Okay, just want to make sure. So cute.